Guys, we add close to around $10,000 to $15,000 additional in on revenue just by doing cold calling. I know I actually haven't disclosed this on my YouTube channel, but finally it is here. We actually also do cold calling to book more appointments and eventually convert more clients for our agency. So what's the process? How it's done? What software do we use? What are the scripts? How do we handle objections? Everything will be covered in this video, so you gotta stick to it. And don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section. Anyways guys, like I mentioned, we had around $10,000 to $15,000 additional through this. What's the team setup look like, right? If you think it's me who does cold calling, then you're absolutely wrong, because I barely have any time, because I have like my calendar filled up with appointments and I have to take those calls and convert those appointments into actual clients for my agency, because I can't solely just depend on cold calling. I have to like also keep track of other sources which can bring more revenue for the agency, right? So let's specifically talk about cold calling in this specific video. So guys, generally how it's done, you have to hire like maybe couple set of like cold callers. Like maybe if you're just starting out, so maybe just hire one and see for yourself whether it works for you or not. So I generally have like 3 cold callers. As of right now, I'm soon looking to scale those people up. Maybe either by like getting like more calls booked, or either by like hiring more people. So how this works is like we have like 3 people who generally cold call, and we have given them like go high level snapshots. I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but soon we are actually also launching a cold calling course. Actually, Ashish and me personally, it's going to be completely free, where we are going to go over like how we actually cold call for our own agency, how to handle objection, and what's the script looks like. I'm so excited. Like I've already shot all the videos for that particular course. I'm so excited. Like I sometimes think to like launch and publish those videos on this YouTube channel, but it's going to be compiled in inside a course, and we're going to launch it all together. But anyways, like just to give you a like quick rundown about our system in this video, how we actually do it. We have a go high level system where like I think our Twilio is connected, and we upload all the leads that we scrape with the help of Fiverr freelancers. So again, just to let you know how we scrape these leads, I'm actually working with like 3-4 freelancers from Fiverr, and few of them are from Pakistan, few of them are from India. So I just tell them like I want leads, this is my criteria, send me 2,000 leads. I pay them, they start working on the project. If I think this is the right delivery, I approve the delivery, get the leads, upload in my go high level CRM. I actually don't do it because I barely have any idea how to do that. I just tell Ashish, he actually upload all the leads in the go high level CRM, and my cold callers start making cold calls. As you know how I actually got my first client, I have experience in cold calling. If you give me a list right now, I can start booking appointments. I know how to handle the objection well. I can face rejections. It excites me. Like, are you going to abuse me? Just do it. Are you going to hang up on me? Do it. I have like another prospect, I'm going to call him, right? So you have to have that attitude, right? So it's very exciting for me to actually make cold calls. Getting rejected, getting abused, that's the worst can happen. What's the best? You can book an appointment, you can close a client, boom, that's it. Our cold callers generally use go high level to make calls. I literally never gave them any kind of script. They got on a call with me, all 3 of them. I actually told them, give an overview about the offers. So you have to say this: hey, is this John speaking? I actually got a number from LinkedIn. I just had a quick question. Yeah, go ahead. John, I was just wondering would there be any chance like you'd be interested in generating qualified solar sets for your company? No, I'm not interested. John, before you just hang up this call, may I know like which state are you selling in? John, before you hang up this call, may I know like if we offer you a like guarantee, 100% money back guarantee, would you be interested? Alright, tell me more. That's like your handle objection, right? And so the more rejections you're going to get, the more objections you're going to get. You're going to master that skill. You're going to get more fine at it, right? So get more objections from a prospect, get more rejections. Eventually you're going to become better at it. So that's the only script I've actually told them. So this is like the most important script. John, hey, is this John speaking? John, I got your number from LinkedIn. I just had a quick question. Yeah, sure, go ahead. Is there any chance would you be interested in generating qualified solar appointments with 100% money back guarantee, where we actually guarantee to close this? This sounds interesting. Tell me more. After this, there's no script. After this, I've just given them couple of questions, like the qualification question: which state are you selling in, how many sales do you make, and whatnot. If the prospect is qualified, we get them booked straight on our calendar. That's easiest way to book appointments. You just have to just replicate what I'm doing. It works for me. Generally what I'll say is like cold calling generally end up working for local businesses, especially businesses in home improvement spaces, right? Remodeling, construction businesses, contracting businesses, plumbing, painting, cleaning companies, roofing, then we have solar, right? Mainly B2C businesses, not B2B. And if you are in like business to customer, like where like your clients actually offer services to homeowners, that's B2C. So you have to actually come up with businesses, come up with niches which is like local in that area, and booking appointments using cold call with those kind of businesses would be super easy if you have like solid offer in place. I just wanted to keep this video as short as possible. Like I mentioned, like our new cold calling course is coming up very soon, and I think it's going to be first or second week of August. If you haven't joined our Facebook group, because I'll be making the announcement inside the course, so just make sure you join the group. And you just have to just I think you just gotta like tune into the wait list, and you'll be getting a notification when it's finally launched. So guys, this is how we generally cold call for our agency. So now let's talk about how you can replicate this. First things first, you need to build up a team. Either come up with just one cold caller, 2 or 3, max to max 3. Like that's how far I went actually. Give them a script, or you can just give this script whatever I've just told you. Second, give them the qualification questions, like what makes your prospect qualified. Give them like what questions do you ask to your prospect. If the prospect is qualified, then ask them the name, number, email, what time they are free, best number, get them closed as an appointment, and then take that call and close the client. Replicate this as many as times possible, and if this thing works out, scale this. I have just 3 cold callers right now. I'll think about scaling this in the future, but as of now, I'll be sticking to 3. But if that works out for you, if you start closing clients, instead of focusing on outreaching on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, just focus on cold calling. Instead of adding 3 cold callers, go to 10. Let them call for you, let them book appointments for you, scale the hell out. Again guys, if you are also wanting that snapshot that we are actually using to make cold calls, then I think you can purchase those snapshots from the link in the description. I think that offer is for $20. I'm not sure, it's been a while, but you can check the links in the description, because we offer Go High Level accounts just for $10 instead of you paying $97 for it. So it's not the entire Go High Level account we offer, like just a single sub account, but it's better you are paying $10 instead of $97 for a Go High Level account. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you did found it some value in it. If you did, like the video, do subscribe to the channel, drop your feedback. All the very best, keep taking action, and bye.